Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I have some happy mail and I'm super excited about all of them. So I have Simply Smith stickers, Pleasantly Planned, and Rongrong as well. So let's go ahead and get started with Simply Smith stickers. I think I am the most excited about this one just because I have figured out how to divide my Go Get a Girl planner, and I needed some script stickers in order to get the look that I was going for. So when I knew that I needed new headers, I automatically went with Simply Smith stickers. So let's see, that's it. And okay, so my little receipt is over here, so I'm gonna try to take that out first. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's see. She always has the cutest little freebies. So we have this little girl for 4th of July, some Instagram little icons. The colors are so pretty, and look at this one, Independence Day freebie. Very cute. Okay, so like I said, I finally know how I want to set up my Go Get a Girl planner now that I'm using it as a catch-all. So I needed some script stickers. So the first one that I needed was a heading that said Apple Watch, because I am currently taking note of my stats on my Apple Watch. So I wanted one that said that. So here it's that one. And then I needed one that says Bill Do. And I just love her sheets because you get so many of them and they are super, super cheap. I think each sheet was like $2.50, and she was running a 50% off coupon, and so that is when I took advantage of that. And then I also ordered some more to-do headers because I really needed more. I was getting really low on my sticker sheet that I have, so I placed another one. And then Out for a Walk. Oh, and I love this. I was worried that it was going to be like in two like stacked on top of each other. So Out for Walk. So I thought it was going to be like that, but I'm just glad that it's all on one line instead of two. So I love that. This one is to track if I go out on a walk in the morning and in the evening. So I needed that header as well. And then Hydrate. I am trying to be better at drinking my water, and so I am tracking the amount of water that I drink a day. So this was just perfect. And then I also needed another one for today. I was running low on this one, so I went ahead and placed it. So like I said, make sure you guys check out Simply Smith stickers. I love her script stickers. They are the best, and you get so many of them. So I will leave her shop linked down below, so check her out. And then the next one that I have, let's go ahead and let's do Rongrong. So this was my latest order, and this has actually been sitting just in my office for a while. I just hadn't been able to get to it, but I am super excited. And actually, she has a new sticker collection coming on Wednesday, June 8th at 11 a.m. Central Time, and that's in celebration of her 8th anniversary of her art business. So she has been in business for 8 years, and she is bringing 2 sticker books. So the first sticker book is it's actually a sticker pack, and it's a Paris inspired theme. It is so pretty, and it's more of a vintage look, and actually the fashion girls are like outlined in black, so it's very different from her regular fashion girls, and it is just so beautiful. And so the other sticker sheet, well, this one is actually a sticker book, and this one is called Self-Love. So it has lots of self-care stickers, and there's lots of purples too. So it's a purple inspired sticker book, and it is so pretty. And make sure that you guys get on the wait list, because waitlisters will receive a freebie die cut stickers. And make sure that you guys use code Stephany10 so you guys can save a little bit of money on that release, and maybe even on these sticker books as well. So let me go ahead and show you, just taking out my receipt. So just like this release, we have Mom Life and Breakfast at Tiffany's, and she had another one. I think it was like a plant mom. I think it was something like that, but that one sold out so fast. So I was only able to get these two. And this one is just so pretty. I love like this baby blue teal color. So let's see. Let's get that one off to the side. So Breakfast at Tiffany's. And this one is a sticker pack. So lots of like baby blue colors, lots of boxes, just such a pretty theme. Oh, look at that. I love that. Those strips of washi tape and the silver foil. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's rare when you see silver foil. So whenever I see it, I definitely love it. So these are clear sticker sheets. Very pretty. Look at this one. Look at the chandelier, the phone, the ring, the dress, the cat, the gift. So pretty. Oh, even some quotes as well. Oh, okay, so they're attached to the fashion girl. They're not by themselves. And then, let's see. Yeah, this one is attached to the cat, and that one goes there. But look at the pretty flowers. Oh, this is such a pretty sticker book. And that's the back cover. So very pretty. And then we have Mom Life. Of course, I just had to get this one. So let's see, you get over 500 stickers. And so we have lots of boxes, and these are paper stickers as well. The washi tape over here. Appointment, meetings today. Super Mom, Mom Hustler. Oh, that's pretty. Time to wind down. Okay, so we got some little headers, flags, bullet points, no school, late start, early release. So these are going to come in handy once the kids go back to school. And then some paid bills, grocery shopping, clean, Mom Life, relax. Very cute. Vacation, pizza night, movie night, date night, play date, me time, Manny and Petty, and workout. These are clear stickers. And these are clear stickers as well. So she has a great mix of paper stickers and clear stickers as well. Super Mom, Super Wife, Super Tired. Oh, and look at her. She's pregnant. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love these. Mom Life is the best life. My favorite people call me Mama. Well, these are going to be perfect. So all of these are clear stickers. Oh, look at this one. She's actually holding a baby. That is so cute. Look at this one too. And this one is the one that's pregnant. Oh, that is so beautiful. And of course, she's here feeding the baby, I believe, and making food at the same time. Of course, multitasking. Life is better with my boys, and then life is better with my girls. These are so cute. So we have sneakers and we have heels and we have a backpack and we have a purse. And then maybe working out, gym time, work it, Apple Watch. Oh, that's cute. And the little outfits, headphones, water bottles. Oh, and then relax. So maybe with some Netflix or slippers, wine, pizza, a little mani. That is so cute. Oh, I feel like it has so many sheets in here. Lots of quotes here. Again, these are all in clear sticker sheets. Okay, oh, I love these. I can't wait to dive into these. So, yeah, make sure that you guys check out her new collection coming on June 8th at 11 a.m. Central Time. And make sure that you guys get on the wait list. And don't forget to use code Stephany10. That way you guys can save a little bit of money on your order. And then last but not least, we have Planything. She was having a birthday sale. And I believe she was having 30% off, so I definitely wanted to take advantage of that. And so, let me take off my slip. So, thank you card, so pretty. And so, let's go ahead and let's get started. I kind of went a little bit crazy. I have so many stickers here. But I really wanted to take advantage of her sale. And these arrived super quick too. And also, make sure that you guys use code Stephany15 so you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase. And everything will be linked down in the description box below. So make sure that you guys check that out. So here we have this beautiful sticker sheet. So this one is called Donna. And we have Jubilant. I love the colors in this one. So, so pretty. And then Tanisha. I believe that's how you say it. Look at how vibrant these colors are. Breathtaking. I love the mix of purples and blues along with pink. This one is called Debbie. Very, very pretty. Bright Sunflowers. So pretty. And then we have Susan. Such pretty sticker sheets. So then we have a few more of her small sticker sheets. And I always tend to get her clear sticker sheets. I don't know, I just love clear stickers. So then we have Sunny Days. Love the yellow and pink. It is such a pretty little combination. Joyful Blooms. I love the pop of blue on this one. It is very pretty. And then we have some quotes. So this one is Motivational Quote 6. I love her quotes. And again, these are in clear sticker sheets. I don't know, I just love the clear ones. And so this one is Sassy Quotes 3. And Sassy Quotes 2. I really needed to stock up on her quotes. So this sale was actually the perfect sale. And then we have her large sticker sheet. And the large ones I love using in my Go Get a Girl planner. And of course, they are clear as well. So you can see a big difference from her large sticker sheet and her small sticker sheet. So I just love the variation in size. So with her large sticker sheets, I believe that I like grabbing 2 large ones, but what I actually figured out is that I love using 1 large one and 1 small one. And actually I think that this is the right amount of stickers, because when I use 2 of the large ones and 1 small one, I definitely have stickers left over. So I think moving forward, I will get 1 large and 1 small one. And I think that should be enough to fill in my Go Get a Girl planner, because as you know, with that one, I have a weekly spread and daily spreads as well. So I have a weekly, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday do share a date. So I have 7 pages to fill in, but I think that a large one and a small one should be enough. That's what I've been using lately. So I think I'm gonna test out that theory moving forward and just order this in the future, which should be enough. So again, I have 2 of these large ones, and then I have 2 of this Tanisha ones, and then I also have Breathtaking, just such beautiful florals. And as you know, I love my florals, and so does Casey. So we are definitely on the same page when it comes to florals. So bright sunflowers, so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. I definitely had to stock up on my florals, so I knew exactly where to go. So then I have this one, and with this one I already had one of these large ones, so I needed to get a second sheet. So we have Blissful, and then we have Sunny Days. So like I said, I already have this one too, so I just needed one. Then I grabbed 2 of the Joyful Blooms and 2 Jubilant. And then I just grabbed this large Blissful colorful boxes. So this one is meant to go with this one, but most of her colorful boxes can be used with other sticker sheets. So this one doesn't always have to go with this one. Like I can see this Donna one, and because of the red, you can mix and match your colorful boxes. So don't let the name fool you and just think that it only goes with this one. So it can definitely be used anywhere else. So maybe it could even match this one because of like the pops of red. So just a little tip there. But that was all of my order from Pleasantly Planned. Make sure that you guys use code Stephany15 so you guys can save 15% off of your $25 or more purchase. So there's this haul, and then I have, where did they go? Oh, right here. So then here is my Rongrong little haul. So now I'm definitely stocked up on stickers. So make sure that you guys check out Rongrong as well for her new sticker collection. And make sure that you guys use code Stephany10. And then here is my little haul from Simply Smith stickers. I am just so excited for these. These ones were the ones that I was most excited about, just because I now know how I want to set up my Go Get a Girl planner. So that is all that I got. I am super excited, and I just can't wait to use all of these stickers. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.